Hello everyone, welcome to this Databutton tutorial of how to use the native authentication and database feature. To demonstrate this capability, I'm going to create a project tracking tool. Once we've added our description, which is a project tracking tool with a Kanban board, the agent creates a set of tasks that will guide us through the development process. The agent designs these tasks that already use the integrated database. During the first task, the agent sets up the authentication. You'll notice a user icon in the navigation bar on your home page. This will enable your user to sign in and out using email or Google. The user icon also enables you to access user management interfaces, which you can view by clicking on Account Settings. To access the users and data views, navigate to the button on the top bar. You can see the agent has already created a user table in our database to securely manage our users. We can also already see the layout for our project table and an interface to create a new project. Let's create a new project for a birthday party. Now when we look at the table, we can see it has an entry with my user ID assigned. As the agent works through the tasks, it is seamlessly integrating our front interface with the native database, creating endpoints to send and receive data. We no longer need to set up any external systems or learn any new skills to integrate secure data management into our applications. It is best to discuss features with the agent rather than technical terminology. For example, say things like, I want to also capture the task description in the task form, or create a table to store uploaded images. This project has taken around 20 minutes so far. We have authenticated users, we can create a project, and now we can create and add tasks within that project. Here, I'm adding a task to create invitations to the party. Navigating to the users and data views, I can see a table containing the task I created, along with information about the project, in this case, the project ID. With native user authentication and database, you can spend more time on building tools and applications to automate your workflows. We're excited to see what you build with this new feature.